I wanted to make a quick video that just goes over a little bit about what to do if you're out and about and you have an emergency with your golf cart. Because I know there's lots of information and videos out there that cover purchasing your golf cart when you move to the villages. But I know when we were looking to move here, I really didn't find a lot of information about care and maintenance of your golf cart. So just wanted to share this quick video. Hope it helps, and we'll see you around. But I never had to do it. Because it's not like, oh boy, look at there.
Yep.
So we're gonna go get it fixed. I'll bring it back.
Okay. Where
So
are
do
you
you
going to get it
patch it?
fixed?
I'll do my truck.
Oh, you can do it right there?
You patch it?
Plug it.
Oh.
Whoa.
You don't even have to get a new tire.
I thought for sure it was going to be a new tire.
That's not bad. It makes it, they make it look so easy.
Well, that's true. That's true.
But
Ma'am.
oh, okay. Ain't that something? What's the plug made of? Like
It's-
rubber?
Yeah, the same consistency of the tire.
Mm-hmm.
And it's got a glue inside of it.
And how long will a plug last?
The life of the tire.
What?
Yeah.
So if
Always a challenge.
It's good to know these things. Though.
Mhm.
And wait a minute, let me get his shirt too. 24-hour
I
cart.
was gonna say, I gotta plug. Let me put my britches up before you start taking.
No, look, I'm not getting your booty.
So
I'm
how
not
much
getting
does
your
it
booty.
cost to join the club for a year? Or
It's $40 for the year.
really?